A tiny break in the skin gives bacteria an entrance. Once past this protective barrier, they enter living tissue, where even a microscopic invasion can trigger one of the body's fastest and most coordinated defense responses. The bacteria move through fluid between cells and begin multiplying. Their surfaces carry molecular patterns that human cells do not normally display, giving nearby immune sentinels the first clues that a dangerous intruder has arrived. A resident macrophage detects those microbial patterns using specialized pattern recognition receptors, internal signaling switches on defensive genes, and the cell releases cytokines and chemokines, chemical messages that warn surrounding tissue and summon reinforcements. Those signals reach nearby blood vessels, causing them to widen and become more permeable. Endothelial cells lining the vessel activate, slowing passing immune cells and preparing them to leave the bloodstream for the infected tissue. Neutrophils roll along the vessel wall, attach firmly, then squeeze between endothelial cells. Guided by chemical gradients, these fast-moving defenders crawl through the tissue toward the growing bacterial population. The neutrophil surrounds a bacterium with its membrane and seals it inside a phagosome. Antimicrobial granules then fuse with that compartment, releasing enzymes and reactive chemistry that break the captured microbe apart. A dendritic cell captures microbial material and processes its proteins into smaller peptide fragments. These fragments are displayed on MHC molecules, transforming pieces of the invader into biological evidence the adaptive immune system can recognize. Carrying this evidence, the dendritic cell travels through lymphatic vessels to a nearby lymph node. There, it searches among thousands of naive T cells until one receptor correctly recognizes the presented antigen. The selected T cell activates and rapidly produces matching descendants. Helper T cells then support B cells that recognize the same threat, driving their expansion into plasma cells that manufacture large quantities of specific antibodies. Antibodies bind precise structures on the bacterial surface. They can block harmful interactions, coat microbes for easier phagocytosis, and help activate complement. While cytotoxic T cells eliminate infected host cells when the pathogen hides inside them. Immunity must be powerful, but precisely controlled. Too little defense permits severe infection. Allergy attacks harmless substances, while autoimmunity misidentifies the body's own tissues, creating inflammation and damage where protection was never needed. Once the threat is controlled, inflammatory signals decline. Macrophages clear dead cells and debris. Blood vessels return toward normal, and tissue repair closes the damaged barrier, restoring the balanced internal state called homeostasis. The infection ends, but selected memory B and T cells remain. If the same pathogen returns, they respond faster and more effectively. Proof that the immune system not only fights, but learns, regulates, repairs, and remembers.